Hello children, welcome to today's cultural and creative art class. In today's class, our topic is why maintenance are important. Our topic is why maintenance are important. Value is what makes maintenance so important and unique. This is because number one, it makes our tools and equipment last long. Number two, it reduces the risk accident around us. Number three, it makes our work to be done faster. Number four, it keeps our equipment in good condition. Number five, it makes our environment to be beautiful. Number six, it reduces waste of money. Relationship between values and maintenance. Value driving maintenance preserve the value placed on things. Number one, both are important placed on things and actions. Number two, both preserve things and actions. Number three, both determine the cause of action. Number four, both bring about better results. So children, that is all for today. Hope you enjoyed the class. See you in the next class. Please subscribe to this channel, like, and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.